Starting your own beauty salon is an exciting opportunity to share your passion, enhance your clients' confidence, and build a successful career on your own terms. If you love beauty, have strong skills in hairstyling, skincare, or other salon services, and dream of being your own boss, this could be the perfect path for you. With more people investing in self-care and beauty treatments, the demand for top-notch salon services is higher than ever. Whether you want to offer hairstyling, facials, nail care, or a full-service beauty experience, there are endless ways to structure your business and create a loyal clientele. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to get started, from choosing your salon's specialty and setting up your space to marketing your services and building a thriving beauty business. Before diving into the world of beauty entrepreneurship, it's important to weigh the advantages and challenges of running your own salon. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons to help you decide if this is the right path for you. People are always seeking ways to look and feel their best. From haircuts and color treatments to skincare and manicures, quality beauty services are in constant demand. If you can offer exceptional services, you'll quickly build a loyal client base. Owning a salon allows you to express your creativity every day. From styling hair to creating stunning nail art, you have the freedom to bring your artistic vision to life while helping clients feel confident and beautiful. You can choose to operate a full-service salon, a specialized boutique, or even a mobile beauty service. This flexibility allows you to tailor your business to your strengths and the needs of your target market. In the beauty industry, strong client relationships lead to repeat business and referrals. Creating a welcoming and personalized experience can turn first-time visitors into loyal clients who return regularly for your services. While owning a beauty salon comes with many exciting benefits, it's also important to consider the challenges that come with it. While not as high as some other businesses, starting a salon still requires investment in equipment, products, and space rental or renovation. Additionally, ongoing costs for supplies and utilities can add up. Providing beauty services can be physically demanding, requiring long hours on your feet and repetitive motions. Balancing a busy schedule while maintaining personal well-being can be challenging. The beauty industry is competitive, with many salons vying for the same clients. Offering unique services, staying updated with trends, and providing exceptional customer service are crucial for standing out and retaining clients. Now that you have a clear understanding of the benefits and challenges, let's go over the essential things you'll need to get your beauty salon up and running successfully. Choosing the right location is crucial for attracting clients and ensuring convenience. Look for a space with good foot traffic, easy accessibility, and enough room for styling stations, waiting areas, and storage. Whether you rent a commercial space or set up a home salon, make sure it aligns with your brand and target clientele. Investing in high-quality salon equipment is essential for providing excellent service. You'll need styling chairs, mirrors, wash basins, hair dryers, and tools like scissors, clippers, and curling irons. Comfortable seating for clients and proper lighting will also enhance the overall experience. Stocking up on professional-grade beauty products is a must. Depending on your services, this may include shampoos, conditioners, hair color, skincare products, nail polish, and makeup. Choosing reputable brands ensures better results and builds trust with clients. A reliable booking system helps manage appointments, reduce scheduling conflicts, and improve customer experience. Having an online booking option allows clients to schedule their visits easily and keeps your salon organized. Opening a beauty salon requires more than just skills and equipment. You'll need to make sure you meet all legal requirements. Most states require a cosmetology or esthetician license for professionals offering hair, skin, or nail services. If you're hiring staff, they'll also need proper certification. You'll likely need a general business license, and, in some areas, a health and safety permit to comply with sanitation regulations. If you plan to sell beauty products, a sales tax permit may also be necessary. Structuring your business as an LLC or sole proprietorship helps protect your personal assets and simplifies taxes. Since regulations vary by location, be sure to check local laws to ensure your salon is fully compliant and ready to operate. If you need help registering your business, you can check the link in description for our step-by-step guide on how to register a business in each U.S. state. Now that we've covered the legal side of things and you're ready to launch your beauty salon, let's talk about building your online presence. A website is a must-have for managing appointments, showcasing your services, and making it easy for clients to find you. IKOL is a great platform for beauty salons, offering all the tools you need to run your business seamlessly. With IKOL, you can manage bookings, send invoices, and even accept payments online. It's an all-in-one solution that lets you focus on providing great beauty services, while IKOL takes care of the tech. To get started, head over to ikol.com, click Get Started, and select Service. From there, search for Beauty Salon, choose the services you offer, and follow the simple steps to set up your website. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fully functional salon site ready to go. Once your site is live, clients can easily book appointments online, and you can manage all their details right from your dashboard. You'll also have access to client leads, helping you follow up and grow your customer base. Plus, IKOL's AI assistant can help turn website visitors into loyal clients, ensuring you never miss a booking opportunity. It's that easy. Now you're all set to grow your beauty salon with a professional online presence. For more customization tips, check out the tutorial playlist on our YouTube channel. When it comes to promoting your beauty salon, using the right advertising strategies will help you attract new clients and grow your business. Here are some key ways to get noticed. Since your salon serves a local clientele, focus on advertising in places your target audience frequents. Hand out flyers in nearby shops, partner with local businesses for cross-promotions, and attend community events to spread the word. Offering discounts for first-time clients or referral incentives can also help bring in new customers and build loyalty. Social media is one of the best ways to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are perfect for sharing before and after transformations, beauty tips, and special promotions. Engaging content, such as tutorials or behind-the-scenes looks, can help build trust and attract more bookings. Running targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google can help you reach potential clients searching for beauty services in your area. Use high-quality images, compelling offers, and clear calls to action to encourage bookings. It's a good practice to stay connected with your clients through email and SMS marketing. Send newsletters with beauty tips, exclusive promotions, and appointment reminders to keep them engaged. You can also set up a loyalty program, offering discounts, free treatments, or special perks for repeat customers. Personalized messages make clients feel valued and encourage them to keep coming back. Starting your beauty salon is an exciting journey, and with the right marketing strategies in place, you can build a thriving business. By combining local outreach, social media presence, and digital marketing, you'll create a strong brand that keeps clients coming back. So, if you're ready to take your salon to the next level, start implementing these advertising strategies today. We can't wait to see your beauty business grow. IKOL, AI for business.